Good morning, students. In previous class, I have completed sine, cos, tan. Today I will be explaining reciprocal of these three. So those are sec, cosec, and cot. Before that, so this plane I am dividing into four quadrants. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. In first quadrant, angle is 0 to 90. First quadrant angle is from 0 to 90. And second quadrant angle is 90 to 180. And third quadrant angle is 180 to 270 degrees. And fourth quadrant 270 to 360 degrees. This concept already in previous classes I have explained this all the concept. I am repeating one more time. Now you can see. So the plane is divided into four quadrants Q1, Q2, Q3. And first quadrant angle is 0 to 90, and second quadrant angle is 90 to 180, and third quadrant 180 to 270, and fourth quadrant 270 to 360. And to remember one trick I told means that in which quadrant which functions are positive and which are negative. So for that, so you can remember this one, all silver teacups. All silver teacups. All silver teacups. Here all means all the trigonometric functions, six functions are positive. All means all the positive. First quadrant, all are positive. And second quadrant, it is starting with S. That means a sine and its reciprocal. Sine and its reciprocal is cosec. Sine and its reciprocal cosec. This both are the positive. And third quadrant, it is starting with the letter T. So we can say that tan and its reciprocal cot. These both are the positive. And fourth quadrant, you can say it is starting with the letter C. So cos and its reciprocal. Cos and its reciprocal sec or positive. Take it is clear. After that, I told two more points. One for the 90 and 270. One is for 90 and 270, and second one is for 180 and 360 degrees. If angles are 90 and 270, in that case I told base function what is there. For that answer will be coming other function. Suppose here I am taking a base function as sine. If the base function is sine, in question sine is given. For that answer will be coming in terms of cos. So this you have to remember. Then only you can able to find out the angles. Otherwise it is not so easy to find out the angles. You know that standard angle 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. You can by heart you can write. And sometimes they ask what is the sine 2060 degrees. So it is impossible to find out. Okay. So I say both angles so it is very difficult to find out. For that, this is the trick. Okay. Means you have to take steps follow करना है. ठीक है. आप ये steps follow करें तो आप आसान से find out कर सकते हैं. Let them give any angle doesn't matter. So whatever it may be. So let them give how much a big angle they are giving. It doesn't matter. But we can find out easily if these steps you are remembering. ठीक है. First one is how to divide the quadrants. And with in first quadrant what are the positive and what are the negative, and in second quadrant what are the positive and negative, like that you have to divide. For that I told one thing, there is all silver teacups. All silver teacups means in first quadrant all are the positive, and second quadrant sine and its reciprocal cosec are positive, and third quadrant tan and its reciprocal cot are positive, and fourth quadrant you can say cos and its reciprocal sec are positive. That is all. After that, if angle 90 and 270, for this case, suppose base function is sine, answer will be coming in terms of cos, and base function is cos, and answer will be coming in terms of the sine, and base function is tan, answer will be coming in terms of cot, and base function is cot, answer will be coming in terms of the tan, and base function is cosec, answer will be coming sec, and base function is sec, answer will be coming in terms of cosec. So this conversion you have to remember. Okay. And in the case of the 180 360, I told that there is no problem. So means whatever they are given a base function, answer also will be the same function में answer आएगा. Okay, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है. 180 360 डिग्री के लिए बेस फंक्शन में वन का फंक्शन होगा, आंसर में भी सेम फंक्शन आएगा, ठीक है, उसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा 180 360 के लिए। लेकिन अब इसके आप याद करना पड़ेगा, अब याद करना पड़ेगा केवल 910 270 के लिए, 910 270 के लिए अब अच्छे से याद करना पड़ेगा। I'm repeating one more time, you can see base function sin होगा तो answer will be cos, okay, answer will be coming in terms of the cos, and base function is cos, then answer will be coming in terms of sin, and base function is tan, and answer will be coming in terms of the cot, and base function is cot, and answer will be coming in terms of the tan, base function is cosec, answer will be in terms of sec, and base function is sec, and answer will be in terms of the cosec, okay, only these values to work out, but in the case of the 180 and 360 and base function sin होगा तो आंसर भी sin आएगा, cos होगा तो cos में आंसर आएगा, ठीक है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ठीक है, आप सीधा सीधा लिख सकते हैं, इट्स नॉट सो डिफिकल्ट, बट अब केवल याद करना पड़ेगा 910 270 के लिए, ठीक। Now, so before classes I have completed sin, cos, tan. Today we will be seeing the reciprocals of these three functions. Reciprocal of the sin, cosec. Reciprocal of the sin, cosec. First 90 and 270. First case 90 and 270. Now we can add cosec 90 minus 3 or cosec 90 plus 3, cosec 270 minus 3, cosec 270 plus 3, 270 plus 3. What are the angles? 90 and 270. The angles are given 90 and 270. And base function is what? Base function is given cosec. Base function is cosec and angles are 90 and 270. Then answer will be coming in terms of what? In terms of sin. Okay? Then you can write sec theta. And this also sec theta. And this one also sec theta. And this one also sec. Okay? And सबका आंसर हमने देखा था sec theta, sec theta, sec theta, sec theta. लेकिन इसके बाद हम इसके आगे एक साइन भी आया, ठीक है। नाउ टू फाइंड आउट साइन, टू फाइंड आउट द साइन यू हैव टू सी दिस कोऑर्डिनेट्स, ओके, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दिस कोऑर्डिनेट। नाउ सर 90 माइनस थीटा, 90 माइनस थीटा में फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट एंगल इज 0 to 90, बट 90 माइनस थीटा में सर कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट आएगा? पहला कोऑर्डिनेट में से 90 से थोड़ा कम है, 90 से थोड़ा कम है वो तो सो ऑलरेडी यू कैन सी वेरी क्लियरली सर फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट एंगल 0 to 90, 90 minus theta means 90 से थोड़ा कम, that it can be 89 88 like that. So therefore this angle will be coming in the first quadrant. First quadrant you can say what are the positive? All functions. All functions are the positive means you don't need to worry about the sign, directly you can do plus because there won't be any problem. It is the first quadrant. And second you can say cosec 90 plus theta, cosec 90 plus 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta means 90 से थोड़ा ज्यादा है, 90 से थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा तो कौन सा quadrant है? सेकंड quadrant. It is clear. 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta is first quadrant and 90 plus theta is second quadrant. Second quadrant you can see what are the positive? Sin and its reciprocal. Sin and its reciprocal cosec. These both are the positive and the remaining all are negative. So that what is our base function here? Cosec. Okay, cosec is the base function. अब देखना cosec is there in the second quadrant also. Our base function is cosec and cosec is there in second quadrant also. So which sign I have write? Plus I have write. Clear? Sin and its reciprocal cosec are the positive in the second quadrant. Second quadrant is sin and its reciprocal cosec are the positive. So our base function is cosec means that therefore I can plus sign on it. Let's go next. Cosec 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta which quadrant? 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta is third quadrant. 270 minus theta. We can say 180 to 270 third quadrant. अब 270 से थोड़ा कम एंगल दिया होगा तो सो ए एंगल होगा कहाँ होगा? थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में ए एंगल होगा, ठीक। अब थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में होगा तो पॉजिटिव tan and its reciprocal cot. लेकिन व्हाट इज आवर बेस फंक्शन हियर? बेस फंक्शन इज cosec. बेस फंक्शन इज cosec means then you can add minus. क्लियर? थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट ओनली tan and cot are the positive, लेकिन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में हमारा बेस फंक्शन पॉजिटिव नहीं है, पॉजिटिव नहीं हो तो क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? माइनस, इधर प्लस लिखना है नहीं तो माइनस लिखना पड़ेगा। थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में केवल tan and only tan and cot are the positive, but our base function is what? Cosec. Cosec it is not positive in third quadrant, because of that reason we can calculate the minus one. Next last one is 270 plus theta. If it is a 270 plus theta, 270 plus theta means it comes in the fourth quadrant. It It comes in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, which functions are the positive? Those are cos and its reciprocal sec are the positive. Cos and its reciprocal sec are the positive. But what is our base function? Cosec. Okay. So here cosec it is not a positive means that it will be negative minus sec theta. It is easy. फर्स्ट वीक है तो सबका आंसर sec theta है, लेकिन उसके बाद आप ध्यान देना पड़ेगा साइन कन्वर्शन साइन के साथ लिखना पड़ेगा. सिंपली sec theta लिखे हो तो गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक, गॉट माय पॉइंट. So to give the sign, you have to see that angle belongs to which quadrant. That angle belongs to which quadrant. Then you have to see that what is our base function. Okay, that base function whether it is positive or negative, you have to see in that quadrant. Then you can put the sign. Whether it is a plus or plus लिखेंगे, minus or the minus लिखेंगे. This is for the angles 90 and 270. Clear? अब इसी के ना 180 360 देखिए. cosec फंक्शन क्या है? angles 180 and 360. cosec 180 plus theta, cosec 180 minus theta, cosec 360 plus theta, cosec 360 minus theta. ठीक, अलग अलग होगा. आप लोगों का एक 180 360 होगा तो बेस फंक्शन क्या होगा? आंसर भी वो आएगा. व्हाट इज द बेस फंक्शन है? cosec. एंड आंसर आंसर will be in terms of cosec only. ठीक है, डायरेक्टली मेरे सबका आंसर है cosec theta. cosec theta, ये भी cosec theta एंड cosec theta. ठीक, उसको पता what you have to see sign convention. Okay, plus or minus we have to write it. Okay, so it depends on the coordinate, it depends on the base function. Take, and what is our base function? Cosec. And what are the angles? 180 and 360. 180 and 360 angles are the 180 and 360. Base function is given cosec, so answer also will be coming in terms of cosec only. That's why all the answers you can see cosec. Take, angles are 180 and 360, that is the rule. So angles 180 and 360 दिया होगा तो we have to see what is the base function. Base function cosec. अब base function cosec होगा तो then answer भी क्या होगा? cosec क्या होगा. Clear? Yeah. Now 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means which quadrant? 180 plus theta means you can see angle 90 to 180 second quadrant. 180 plus theta means third quadrant. 180 plus theta third quadrant. In third quadrant, what are the positive values? Tan and cot. Tan and cot are the positive. But what is our base function? Cosec. Okay, cosec is not a positive means it will be negative minus cosec theta. Next, cosec 180 minus theta. Cosec 180 minus theta is the second quadrant. Okay, 180 plus theta third quadrant and 180 minus theta second quadrant. Second quadrant, you can see what are the positive values? Sine and cosec. Sine and cosec are the positive. And what is our base function? Cosec. Our base function is cosec and it is positive in the second quadrant. Therefore, I can write plus. Take next 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta means it comes in the first quadrant. Take 360 plus theta that will be in the first quadrant. First quadrant, all of the positive means you have to write a plus sign. Take next 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Okay, what is the fourth quadrant? In fourth quadrant only cos and its reciprocal sec, only these two are the positive, remaining functions are the negative. So remaining functions means that cosec also minus cosec. Okay, that's it. It is easy only, not so difficult. Okay, now two more are left. So I will be giving sec. I will be giving one more will be there. That is a cot. Cot आप खुद करना पड़ेगा. ठीक. Sec theta. Again, first case angles will be taking 90 and 270. Sec 90 plus theta. Sec 90 minus theta. Sec 270 plus theta. Sec 270 minus theta. These are the four cases. Okay. Angles are about 90 and 270. Angles are 90 and 270. What is our base function? Sec is given. Sec is our base function. Okay. Then answer will be in terms of cosec. Answer will be in terms of the cosec. can write cosec theta. Second one also cosec theta, and third one also cosec theta, and fourth one also cosec theta. Now sin convention. Now sin convention means 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is second quadrant. 90 plus theta second quadrant. Second quadrant base function is what? Sec. Sec, it is a negative in the second quadrant. You can see. So only sine and cosec are the positive. That means that sec is a negative minus cosec theta. Sin is minus. And the second 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is first quadrant. First quadrant all of the positive means that you can do plus. Next, sec 270 plus theta. Sec 270 plus theta means that you can say 270 plus theta. That is the fourth quadrant. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. And fourth quadrant, cos and sec are the positive. Or base function sec, and it is the positive in the fourth quadrant also. Therefore, you can plus second. Next, 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta that will be in third quadrant. Third quadrant only tan and third are the positive. You can say tan and third are the positive. But what is the base function? Sec. That means answer will be minus cosec theta. Okay. This is for 90 and 270. Next, 180 and 360. 180 and 360. 180, 360. What are the given angles? 180 and 360. 180 and 360 angles are given. In this case, what will be the base function? Answer also will be coming in terms of base function. You can see what is the base function? Sec is given. Okay, base function sec. Now answer also will be coming in terms of sec. That means here you can get sec theta, and this also sec theta, and this also sec theta. Now this also sec theta. You can get. Okay. Now sin 180 plus theta is quadrant. 180 plus theta third quadrant. In third quadrant sec is minus sec theta, and 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta that is second quadrant. 180 minus the second quadrant, but in second quadrant sec is negative, therefore minus. Now sec 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta is first quadrant. First quadrant all the positive, you can add a plus. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta means there is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sec is positive, so therefore you can plus sec theta. Clear? So total 6 trigonometric functions are there. I have completed 5. I have completed, and one more is left, that is chord. That you have to do homework. Okay, you just complete. And then also you are not understanding, you can ask me. I will explain one more time. Okay, but you have to practice every day. Don't think that like 10th class they say to come nahi chalega. So 10th class